There was a plastic surgeon who was very famous in craniofacial reconstruction who had adopted one of his own patients who was from Brazil and performed something like 80 surgeries, moved to my area. It was on, I think, 60 Minutes or 2020, one of those shows back in the 80s. And I somehow saw it, and I sort of became interested in plastic surgery ever since. I do multiple types of surgeries, both cancer extirpative or removal and reconstructive, including microsurgery. Although the latter is mainly in the head neck, is sort of my specialty, both for cancer reconstruction, but for trauma and other reasons why people may need those services. I'm also a scientist. I have a basic science lab that's been funded by the NIH. We study how tumors evade the immune system, as well as evade chemotherapy. And so having been involved in it sort of, I don't want to say in its inception, but certainly in the early days, and watching tumor immune system interaction grow to affect not only the science world, but the patient care has been very rewarding. It's also allowed me to be able to study the next generation of what will be the care for our patients. My main focus with the patients is on their survival, prognosis, and then, of course, quality of life, and when appropriate, aesthetics and functionality, which go along with quality of life. With us, in a multidisciplinary fashion, number one, from a convenience standpoint, patient really has the option of a one-stop shopping situation. We as physicians come to them. They sit in one room, and even as of today, we had a patient who saw 4 different subspecialties and never left their room in the same hallway in the same morning. The most rewarding aspect of my job continues to be seeing patients do well and trying to do better for them than hopefully they can get anywhere else. It's not just about being alive, it's living your life. And if I can get a patient not to be just alive, but to live their lives, have quality of life, see their grandchildren, go on vacation, and I had a hand in that, that is perhaps maybe the most rewarding thing that I do.